you have to transport the vase in the transporter. The only condition is that when the vase is in the transporter itself, you can't move. You yourself can't move. So if it's in the transporter, you have to stand still. On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh my gosh, you both dropped it? $800 on each side. $800. You have to find the vase. The vase broke. It's all in pieces somewhere on the floor. How about if we stop for a second? When you see a challenge not working, okay?
I give up.
You give up?
Sit down.
Perhaps you should discuss with each other by consensus through you have to talk to somebody, problem solving, and see if you can solve the problem. What can you do? Discuss it. What did you use in order to achieve success in transporting the kala vase all the way from the mall to her house in time for the vort? What strengths were used?
Common sense.
Common sense. What other strengths did you use? Yes?
Listening and understanding what others are telling you.
Attention.
A lack of attention. Very good. You needed attention. Give me another word for attention.
Listening, participating.
Participating, yes. Each person. What happens if one of the three did not participate? What would happen? So it means that everybody needed to participate. You needed participation, teamwork. Teamwork. What's another word for attention?
Attentive.
Attentive, yes. What else? What's this called? Focus. Yes. Focus. Eye contact. Eye contact. What's another word? When you're studying and you get a text from a friend and you're studying and you go like,
Concentration.
right. Concentration.
Well, creativity.
Yes. Excellent. Creativity. Now what happens when you kept on dropping the vase? Come up with a new idea. What's required there? To come up with a new idea, you had to do what? Brainstorming. Excellent. And someone said a very, very dangerous word. Think. That's a very dangerous word. Had to think. Why is thinking a bad word?
Because we might get ideas and change stuff.
Oh, you might think outside the box, right? Think outside the box. Outside the box. Am I really saying thinking outside the box is a bad thing? What am I being? I'm being sarcastic, right? Thinking outside the box is a very good thing because you can think creatively and figure things out. Oh, what you said was this, right? Attention, focus, eye contact, concentration, participation, teamwork, creativity, brainstorming, thinking outside the box. Any other ideas?
Compromise.
Compromise. Why is compromise necessary?
Because if someone wants to do this way and you want to do that way, then you have to compromise so like you happy.
Yeah, and then you'll end up, if you don't compromise,